Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to check your Git version using command prompt. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu. Here you will type command, then tap command prompt, tap to open it. Maximize this screen. Now here you will enter the command git space -v. Then press enter. Here you will see git version. This means Git is installed on your system and it shows the exact version you are using. If you want to help, you can just simply git -help and press enter. Here you will see all the commands. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly check your Git version in CMD. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.